What do you play?
I'm sexy.
You're taking a video and you said
Dude, no. Take that off. Say your prayers. It's so fun.
What the hell? That's my mom's guitar.
Oh, I am so sorry. Homie. Oh, look. Oh, this is the brand new. I'm holy. Hey, it was my chick. I'm holy.
Okay.
Oh, she's so holy.
Ray, what song are you playing?
I'm saying.
You can break my light. You know, I use that to go to
You
sleep.
guys are so sickened.
Huh?
How hot I used to be.
How hot were you? How hot were you?
I don't know what grade I was in this. What the heck? Oh, hey, homie, I was there. Look at that, I'm so hot. Dude, you look like a retard. I'm so fat. Dude, man messed up.
I want to see.
That's
More.
not cool. Dude. I'm gonna show you me. Sexy. Oh, you know, I read Keeper of the Night except the Guam version. I was next to Taka.
Let me see.
And Chanel.
Oh my god, look at Taka. He's so
Oh my god.
No, Taka looks like a little ninja boy.
I remember I liked him.
Close up on Taka.
Hey, you remember her?
That's Taka.
I remember Erica.
Yeah, you look like her.
Friends, dude, she looked like her. We used to be such homies. Brandon. You guys are ruining my life. Over there. Dude, I said that to what's his name? No, wait, I said that to someone.
Dude, I'm on this yearbook.